Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Oh, come back here, hold on. I had a runaway bag, and one thing I do not want to be is a litter bug. Alright family, I am going to, here in the next month, I'm going to be taking a road trip. And I wanted to do a dry run, a dress rehearsal if you will. So I wanted to buy a few items to see what will and won't fit into my Apple refrigerator. And I was at my favorite store, Rouse's. Make that possibly my #2 favorite store now, grocery store, Rouse's, because I took my auntie and my mother-in-law to Whole Foods last week. And wow, Whole Foods, what a grocery store. I really like that place. So I bought a few things, mushrooms. Check that out, family. Portobello mushrooms, and these portobellos are stuffed with caprese, and these portobello mushrooms are stuffed with jalapenos, onion, cheese. Oh, it's called a Southwest portobello mushroom, and that's gonna be some kind of good. Now, today's video, while I was doing my thing, roaming through Ross's, looking for different foods I could take with me on my road trip, check it out, fam. This is garlic and herb asparagus over salmon. And look at the key point, cook in bag. So you know the first thing I thought, even though it has certain instructions on the back, and the things that we do here on the channel really don't follow any instructions, I'm going to stuff this into the Hotlogic, and I got some more errands to run. So we're going to let this says it's supposed to cook in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. So with it being in the Hotlogic, we're going to probably triple that, and we're going to leave that in, maybe quadruple it. We're going to leave that in for a couple of hours, and then we'll pull her out and see what she looks like. All right, family, so let's go ahead and stick this in the Hotlogic. We'll go up front and hit the switch. We'll run our errands, and right now, I think it is around 1:30. So about 3:30, we'll check them and see what they look like. I think this is gonna be good, family. At least I hope so. If not, we'll have to finish it in the oven when we get home. Or the air fryer. All right, family, stay tuned. All right, YouTube family, we've made it home, and it's been about 2 hours and 15 minutes since we put our lunch slash brunch slash, well, actually it's about 2:30, so let's call that midday supper, maybe, whatever. So let's see what we're working with. We ran us a couple of errands. We went to Walmart. We went and got gas. After that, we went to Lowe's, and we were actually looking for a cushion that will go right here in the place of Fitzgerald's little mat. So when we take our road trip, we have something a little more comfortable, a little thicker for us to sleep on. But that's yet to come. All right, family, so let's go ahead and we're going to check and see if we have Hotlogic Gold or Hotlogic Cold. All right, fam, if y'all remember, there was some butter in there, and that's what you see right there. The butter has melted. That asparagus feels really warm to the touch, hot to the touch. See what it looks like on this side. All right, family, let's go ahead. I'm going to get me a dish, put it over here on my side table, so I don't want that butter to drip everywhere. So I'll grab me a plate, put that over here. We're going to cut it open and see what we're working with. Y'all stand by. Ooh, that's hot. Mama keeps talking to me, y'all. Y'all know what she's saying. Boy, if you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be twice as tough. Bam. That looks scrumptious. All right, family. Oftentimes when people see that fatty substance there on fish, they think that something's wrong, but that's basically just almost like a protein or enzyme that just sits on top of that fish, and there's nothing wrong with that. You're gonna get that on fish such as this nature. You're gonna get that on salmon and fish of that nature. So the first thing we're gonna do, let's test the asparagus. All right, let's grab us a fork and check the fish. I seem to have misplaced my fork. All right, family, watch this. Here goes nothing. Oh yeah, y'all. Hotlogic Gold. If it had been Hotlogic Cold, I would have told y'all that is Hotlogic Gold, y'all. So if your supermarket provides, I don't know what brand this is, or is this something that's unique to Rouse's, but this garlic, herb, asparagus, salmon cooked in a bag, I would assume they have that at other places. If they have that in your supermarket and you're a fan of the Hotlogic, family, go get you some. That's a deal breaker. When I take my trip, which will be in about a month, but when I take my trip to my yet undisclosed destination, I'm gonna have 4 or 5 of those in my apple-cooled refrigerator, along with some smoothie items and some fruits and vegetables. And y'all, we're gonna have an excellent trip. My plan is to only stop for gas. No snacks, nothing of that nature. Oh, and to use the bathroom, because this is a game changer. All right, family, cooking in a bag, ready to go. It's called Ready Chef Go. I'm gonna look that up, and if there's any more information y'all need, I will put it in the description box below. All right, family, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it. I love discovering new ways to use the Hotlogic, and boy, is that a good one. All right, family, y'all take care, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace. What was that?